Hello friends, today we will talk about nails. Do you know your nails are trying to tell about your overall health? As we know, eyes are window to the soul, same as the nail are door to the body. Nails often reflects our general status of health. According to Chinese medicine, liver's splendor shines on the nail. The nails usually pink in color with a shiny reflective luster. Change in the nail colors or shape or texture can be signal health problem. Before going to nail conditions, we shall discuss nail anatomy. Nail are consist of several parts including nail plate, free edge, lunula, cuticle, nail root, nail fold, and free edge. Change in nail colors can reveal certain health conditions. For instance, green nails. Green discoloration of nail can be due to bacterial infection. Reddish or pink nail. Reddish or pink nails can be associated with organic heart disease and hypertension or high BP. Yellow nails or yellow discoloration of nails can be associated with jaundice, fungal infection, psoriasis, chronic bronchitis, diabetes mellitus or type 2 diabetes, and hypothyroidism. Pale nails can be due to low hemoglobin, malnutrition, anemia. Bluish tint or cyanosis of the nails are associated with low oxygen level, cardiovascular or circulatory issue, lung disease like emphysema, asthma, COPD, etc. Dark or black line in the nails can be common in dark people but associated with hereditary trauma, melanomas, drug reaction, smoking. White nails or white nails with dark rim can be due to liver cirrhosis, kidney disease, heart failure. Half and half nails. Half white and half red nail. White at base are usually related to kidney issue or renal failure. White spot or white spots on nail can be due to the deficiency of zinc or calcium or injury. Beaten nails can be associated with mental or emotional disorder, nervousness. Dry, cracked, or brittle nails. These are commonly seen in the people with wet hand or exposed to chemicals such as cleaning products or deficiency of folate, biotin, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, protein, or skin disease. Absence of lunula can be associated with cardiophobia, weak immunity, lack of iron, and malnutrition. Pitted nail or pitted nail surface occurs due to injury, psoriasis, alopecia areata, and sarcoidosis. Vertical ridge or line can be normal sign of aging or malabsorption of food by the small intestine or deficiency of vitamin B12, iron, magnesium, and protein. Horizontal ridge or line can be associated with deficiency of calcium or zinc or injury to the nail, emotional or mental stress, or toxin exposure. Change in nail shapes can also tell about the state of health. For example, spoon-shaped nail. Spoon-shaped nail can be due to iron deficiency, hemochromatosis, anemia, and hypothyroidism. Clubbed nail or nail clubbing occurs when the tip of the finger enlarge and nails curve around the fingertip, associated with lung and heart disease, lung cancer, tuberculosis, IBS, liver cirrhosis, and less oxygen level. Crooked nail. Crooked nail can be due to congenital asthma, bronchitis, or COPD. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy. Love your body. Om Shanti.